Number 4 questions. Were there any technological or forensics breakthrough in the investigation that hadn't been used previously in similar cases? My answer or insight is some potential technology or forensic breakthrough that might be used in investigation include: number 1, genetic genealogy. Using public genealogy databases to identify potential relatives of DNA samples donor. And number 2, advanced DNA analysis. Techniques in the next generation sequencing or NGS for detailed DNA profiling. And number 3, artificial intelligence, AI. AI-powered tools used for imaging and video analysis, pattern recognition, and predictive modeling. And number 4, digital forensics. Advanced methods for analyzing digital evidence, such as encrypted data or deleted files.